witches! If you're looking for a really easy Halloween DIY, I've got one for you. I don't know about you guys, but I love getting pictures of my kids in their Halloween costumes, but it's not necessarily a picture that I'm gonna display in my house all year long. So this is the perfect DIY. Take your kids' Halloween pictures and swap them out for other pictures around your home. If you don't have pictures of your kids from Halloween, this is an easy fix. Throw on some costumes, get on your front porch, set your self-timer and snap a photo. Get them printed somewhere quick and easy, and then switch out the pictures that you already have hanging in your house. This makes for such a simple, easy DIY. Want to see what my family's gonna be for Halloween? Come witch me!